What's up, theme park junkie fans? This is a little bit different. I'm doing something on the historic Hacienda Hotel, which was designed to be an exclusive subtropical resort. It became a favorite retreat of Hollywood stars and starlets. The 1920s started a parade of famous names to the city of Port Richey. Over time, it has included such luminaries as Thomas Megan, Charlie Chaplin, Gloria Swanson, Irving Berlin, Gene Sarazen, Shirley Temple, Babe Ruth, June Carter, Cash, Johnny Cash, and more. So, this place is located at 5621 Main Street in Port Richey, Florida. On the bank of the river stands the fabled Hacienda Hotel, designed by Thomas Reed Martin and added to the U.S. National Register of Historic Places in 1996. Despite its current state of disrepair, one can still imagine the faded beauty as the crowning glory of Port Richey. Basically, it was in the 1920s, it had ties with the motion picture luminaries. When the Landmark Hotel opened in 1927, it basically catered to the entertainment personalities. What they were trying to do was bring a bunch of different movie stars to the Port Richey area and bring it up. And actually, this is one of the first buildings in Pasco County. There is a couple of some backstories and some haunted history to this building also. There is a secret floor that can be accessed outside or from a door in the kitchen. It was used to smuggle booze and women. It had access right to the canal of the water. So you had water access right into the bottom of the hotel. Kind of strange. That area is boarded up, but it still exists. Also rumored there was a room all full of mirrors and only access through the staff's lounge. I don't know, that's kind of creepy also. So that's some back history that I have found out. We found out that it was haunted. There has been some paranormal activity that goes on in this place. It's currently under refurbishment and is scheduled to open to the public in summer of 2021 of this year. As you can see by some of the pictures, they have gotten the front all done up, and most of it is been up to date. I don't know that it's going to open as soon as they say, but they have been remodeling it and they have been dumping a lot of money. There was a $1 million parking lot remodel that just was finished. And I do show you some pictures of Sims Park, which is attached to this hotel. Now, Sims Park was donated by Mr. Sims back in the 1930s. If you guys are interested in videos like this, please leave a comment below, and I will definitely do more and get you more information, about the hotel, about Sims Park, and things like that. If you want me to do more haunted attractions, St. Augustine, or just local places. Now, I took some pictures right here showing you that there was no trespassing. I did not go behind any fences or anything like that, but it just shows that no one is allowed on the property. And there's weird, if you look in some of the pictures, especially in this area, you'll see some strange shadows that I can't really explain. So take for what it is. Like I said, guys, if you like this kind of stuff, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. And until next time, we'll see you at a haunted attraction, possibly a theme park. Yeah, there's probably another good minute left of the video just showing you around the back, the side. Here's Sims Park. This will give you, if you want to pause it, will tell you more about Mr. Sim. He actually donated the land and all of this area to the city of Newport Richey. And yeah, just there's a lot of history down in the Newport Richey area. And then if you wait just a little bit more, I'll show you some interesting things. This is the brand new road they just put in and the $1 million parking lot. Actually, $950,000 to be exact. And here's some pictures of downtown Newport Richey. Now, I'm going to show you pictures of this area here. There used to be a train track that went through and supplied the people to this town for that hotel. But the train tracks are no longer here, but they did leave up the train crossing. And I thought that was interesting. So I took pictures of it, considering they have been there for a really long time. And I'm going to show you what I was talking about. I think this is really cool coming up. It's it's to lock up your bicycle down in the Newport Richey area on Main Street. But I've never seen anything quite like this. It's kind of new to me. And here it is. So this is pretty neat. It is a mock-up of a fire hydrant and fire hose with an actual real fire nozzle attached to it. It was just installed, but it caught my eye while I was down there taking pictures, and I just had to add that in there, guys. Like I said, if you like this footage, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if this is something more you want to see.